guys, this is my review for Hiipoo sublimation inks and paper. I have been wanting to try sublimation for forever, so when Hiipoo reached out to me offering to help me get started, I jumped at the opportunity. Now, don't get me wrong, I love my glitter and my epoxy, but I wanted to be able to offer my customers cheaper options as well, and sublimation is the way to go. But I learned the hard way, sublimation is addicting. You can pop these tumblers out in less than 20 minutes. 20 minutes! And there's no prep or sanding necessary. Ooh, Lord, say a prayer for my craft budget because I am going to go broke buying sublimation tumblers and supplies. After adding the ink, I was ready to start adding my paper, and with the ink, you guys, don't squeeze the bottle. Just pop the bottle in there, let the ink flow, and be done. With the paper, at first I was a little confused which side was the front and which side was the back, but if you look closely, there's a teeny tiny, or like almost kind of like a faint watermark on one side. That lets you know which side is the back of the paper. Now, if you guys didn't know already, I was a graphic artist before I came home to be with my babies, and I was playing in Photoshop last week and decided to create a self-portrait themed design for this tumbler. For the tumbler itself, I'm using the regular and glitter sublimation tumblers from the Stainless Steel Depot for my project. I started with the glitter tumbler first because, come on y'all, it's glitter. It's a glitter sublimation tumbler, and I was so excited to see how it would turn out. I wrapped my image as tight as I could around the tumbler and secured it with heat tape, making sure to press down along the top and bottom edges to prevent ghosting. Ghosting occurs if your paper isn't tight on the tumbler. After my tape is applied, I'm also using some sublimation shrink wrap to really make sure my image is nice and tight. experimented with a few times and temps and found that I liked the way my image looked at 375 degrees for 5 minutes. I rotated my tumbler halfway through. Here are a couple tumblers I experimented with the different temperatures. The longer and higher heat and the image looked almost a tad burnt on to me, and the less temp with fewer minutes, the image was a tad washed out. So I settled for a happy medium at 375 for 5 minutes. If you have a favorite time and temp for your sublimation tumblers, let me know down below in the comments. And if you have some cool sublimation supplies you want me to try out, let us just know. I'm hooked. I'm having too much fun designing in Photoshop, you guys. And this design is currently available in my Dropbox for free for my level 2 Patreon members. I'll also have them available in my Etsy shop once I've tweaked and perfected them. I'll be sure to post them once they're available. I'm liking them, y'all. I'm liking them. These are my first sublimation tumblers, and the inks and paper, I mean, I don't really have anything bad to say. The colors are good. They're extremely easy to use. If you want to start sublimation, I'll have links to the printer, oven, inks, paper, and sleeves in the description box down below. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching my tutorial. A huge thank you to all my Patreon and channel members. Your support is literally everything. Have fun making your sublimation tumblers, and I'll see you again next time.